Welcome friends, and thank you for watching. Get ready to make some delicious air fryer bacon wrapped stuffed chicken breasts. This recipe turned out better than I expected, so crispy and delicious. For today's recipe, let's start by butterflying 3 chicken breasts. To butterfly the chicken breast, I normally find the thickest part of the chicken breast, then glide my knife through to make sure that it's evenly cut. To add some nice flavor to the chicken breast, sprinkle some lemon pepper seasoning on both sides of the chicken breast. Be as generous as you want when you're seasoning the chicken breast. It's personal preference how much seasoning you like on your chicken breast. Set the chicken aside and marinate it for at least 15 to 20 minutes. If you want it to be more flavorful, I highly recommend marinating it for more than 30 minutes in the refrigerator. Rinse clean 3 large asparagus, remove the ends, and then cut the asparagus in half. Ensure that the lemon pepper seasoning is spread evenly on the chicken, then add your asparagus and cheese. Roll the chicken breast up and then use the bacon to wrap around the chicken breast. I normally use 3 to 4 pieces of bacon, and then I use a toothpick to hold the bacon in place. As I was making this, I can just imagine the beautiful flavors that are combined into this one bundle of yumminess. Place the rolls on the tray in your air fryer, then set the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes, flip the chicken and continue to cook for an additional 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's check out the air fryer chicken. Wow, look at that. So gorgeous. Can you hear the sizzle? Wow. Okay, so we're gonna check the temperature to make sure it's cooked. So let's plug that right in. Perfect.
Yummy.
Done this?
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Oh my God, look at that. Wow, look at that. Okay. These turned out perfect. The bacon was crispy and the chicken was tender and delicious.